Finally, I'll be able to have a snack with my favorite chicken balls. Oh no!
Oh my god, my chicken ball! I have to do it again!
We'll have to make new ones. But first, I'll get rid of this. Straight to the wastebasket. Let's look in my refrigerator. And here's fresh chicken. I'll take off the film. And spread the meat on the board. Now, we need to cut it into thin slices, like this. Perfect. Now I'm working with my knife and making minced meat out of it. Let's put it into a bowl. I'm going to salt it. I'll add dry garlic and basil. Now I'll mix everything very carefully. And now, time for an egg.
Are you kidding me? Geta!
I'll break an egg right into the bowl. And now we need to beat it well. I'll add some water and beat it up again. I'll scoop up some minced meat and carefully shape it into a ball like this. Great! All the balls are ready. And I'll pour some cornflakes into this bowl over here. And some flour in this one. Now I take a bowl, roll it in flour, dip it into an egg, and then in cornflakes. It is necessary that the whole bowl is covered with them evenly. Ready. It remains to repeat the same with the other balls. A whole plate. I light a fire on the stove. And let's start cooking. We need to pour more oil into it. When the oil has warmed up, I begin to put the balls in there. And they're frying almost immediately. It remains to wait until a golden crust forms on them. Well, it seems ready. Now we can get them out and put them on a plate. There we go. Here's a whole plate of delicious chicken balls. Well, actually I put them in a bucket. And of course we're without French fries and ketchup. How delicious it turned out. What a perfect combination. Well, it's time to try it. Let's see. How delicious it is. And what about the potatoes? Not that either, but nothing could be tastier than these homemade chicken balls. Thank you, friends. Please like this video. I tried very hard. Subscribe to the channel and write in the comments what your favorite food is. And we will cook it together. There are so many different goodies on my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!